2001 International DT466 automatic with air conditioning. Take a look. Here's a monster of a box with a time-tested, true, sandblasted, primed and painted, standing tall and looking good here today. This one still has the vented roof caps out the top, along with the pintle hitch right here. Here's an awesome truck, well worth the money. This is one of the ones that's a beast that'll really run for you and work good. It's in excellent condition. 2001 International 4700 DT466, standing tall and ready to go today. I want to thank you for watching the video. We've got an automatic. We've got the seats out for reupholstery and ready to go back in here. Here's your automatic right here. Very respectable interior. You got a radio in here. Take a look here, nice. Only 116,000 miles. Hydraulic brakes, ready to go. I want to thank you for watching the video. You can call my cell phone 260-760-5052. Again, I want to thank you for watching the video.